Hi, I am Renmark, a software developer and an IT faculty, and welcome to our Learn IT Easy YouTube channel. Learn IT Easy is a Filipino-targeted educational YouTube channel that aims to teach aspiring IT students or IT enthusiasts to learn different IT software applications and various programming languages for free. All of our video tutorials are delivered in Taglish so that my Filipino audience will better understand each topic. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified whenever I post a new lesson. And if you are loving our videos and you are learning something, please be kind to leave a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on our lesson proper.